Hello everyone, today I am going to show you a wall hanging making using old shampoo packets. Hope it will be nice to show you. So let's start. I did not throw these shampoo packets into dustbin after using. Try to reuse this. At first I cut 3 sides of this packet and go for wash. After washing, I cut it from one side like this video. Thus complete this type of cutting. Now fold these from one side and attach with sellotape. Thus make 16 flowers. Now we need to puff them like this. This is a cardboard. I cannot find my pencil compass, so I draw a circle using a bowl. Now cut it with a scissor. Now take a yellow art paper and cut 2 circles as size as this cardboard. Now attach art paper with cardboard using gum. Using pen, mark 16 points in same distance. Take needle and thread. We need thread in double rolls. First, enter one shampoo packet flower, which I make first, then 2 beads and enter in this cardboard making point. Same do for second point and hang in lower from first. As well as do same thing. For middle portion, use 3 beads. All parts are collect and bind it very well. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel to get my new video.